Hi friends, how you all doing? Welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Mythbusters. It has been a while that I've done one of these episodes, and I'm out here on a beautiful morning in Hyderabad, and I thought I'll speak about a very important topic. That is, well, most of the motorcycles these days have tubeless tires, correct? And it is very easy to repair a tubeless tire puncture, and that is what we all believe. What we all think is when we are on a ride and if a nail goes into the tire of a motorcycle, what do? Either we do it on our own, that is, we repair the tire on our own by using a tubeless tire puncture kit which has a sticky strip and a couple of tools inside. I even have a video on that. So what do? We just pull out the nail and put the sticky strip inside, correct, and cut it off, fill the air back inside, and we most of the time think that is all about it and our tire is as good as new and we keep riding. Well, I also believe the same, and friends, I learned it the hard way. You know what, on the Yamaha R1, what happened was about a couple of years ago, there was a puncture, and even I thought that I could just go home, take out the nail and do a tire puncture repair using my tire puncture repair kit. I did it, and the air held on pretty well, and I started riding the superbike as usual. I went on long rides, I did fast rides, extremely fast rides, like 250 kilometers an hour and all that. Well, and one day I just realized that the rear end was not behaving, and when I pulled over onto the left side, I realized that the puncture repair, it just came off, and I was running the motorcycle without air, completely flat, for about, I don't know, probably 5, 6 or even 10 kilometers. I'm not sure how it went on for so long, and the tire got damaged to a small level, and thanks to the high quality Michelin tires with the very strong sidewalls, that the tire actually held on to the wheel. So that time when I did my research on the internet, that is when I came to know that putting on the sticky strip into the motorcycle tire is only an emergency rescue repair. That is only when you are on a long ride, or if you are stuck somewhere with no help, that is when you pull out the tire puncture repair kit from your motorcycle or your saddlebag, repair the tire, fill up the air using either a miniature air compressor or a foot pump, and then go back home. But once you go back home, you are not supposed to be riding with the same puncture repair, that is with the sticky strip inside, because that can come off any time. It is only holding on to the tire with skin friction. So the skin friction is not enough to save your life. So what you really need to do is, friends, this is what I read on the internet, and I got it done on my Yamaha R1 Ray tire. That is, you got to remove the wheel, take the tire out of the wheel, and then there is something called a mushroom puncture. Now, I'm not sure if every town has a tire shop who can do the mushroom puncture for you. However, I'll put up a video, I'll put up some information about how to do a mushroom puncture. So basically, mushroom puncture is, it's a plug which is in the shape of a mushroom. Alright, so instead of putting the sticky strip from outside, we remove the tire of the wheel and we put the mushroom from inside. So mushroom has a wider base which sticks onto the tire from inside, and that stem of the mushroom, it comes out of the hole and it is stuck onto the tire with high industrial grade adhesive. So, and now it's not just skin friction, but from inside the air pressure is pushing the mushroom repair onto the tire and also the glue. So it is the most safe way that you can repair your tire, and that is actually a long-term repair, not the sticky plug inside that we put. So now, after I stop speaking, I'll put up the information about how a mushroom puncture is done, and you have to find it out in case you can get it done in your town. If not, you can try ordering the mushroom plugs online, probably on aliexpress.com or somewhere, and do it on your own. But friends, remember, do not risk your life riding a high-speed motorbike on the sticky plugs. They are only for emergency repair and only to get you back home. So that is it, friends. Do watch all the information now after I stop speaking, and do let me know if you have any questions. Cheers. Bye-bye. No air pressure. It's practically flat right now. And I'm a very lightweight person. I'm only about 67 or 70 kilograms, so looks like the tire could run even without air, but it formed a line here. I don't know what kind of line that is. Looks like some kind of a damage has occurred here, and you see that there's no air pressure at all. You know what? This is the hole. This is the place. This is where the puncture was. It gave up. The whole strip came out.